Hi, this is Corey Jensen. This is Module 11, and this is dealing with gifts within the school system. Things to remember with anything in the school system, there's guidelines and procedures to follow. The main thing to remember is it's not yours to loan, borrow, or give away. Gifts to students paid for by activity funds are appropriate when they are used as incentives for fundraising events or as awards for achievement, and the gifts should be reasonably priced and age appropriate. These gifts can be funded by general fund, donations, or the athletic fund. Gifts to staff members, special occasion gifts, also need to be reasonably priced, paid for with staff remembrance funds, and those funds come from annual dues and donations. The remembrance fund is managed by a committee, and they should be annually. Fundraising incentive gifts, staff participate in fundraising project, and usually the highest seller will get that gift, and this is paid for with funds from the fundraiser. All staff gifts at the beginning of the school year or during Teacher Appreciation Week, paid for by staff-generated funds. Some districts allow for incentive or recognition gifts to staff to come from the general fund as long as the gifts are reasonably priced. Special efforts for specific students or staff members. Funds raised for a staff member if they're ill or something need to be reported to the district payroll person because it is deemed taxable income. And then, in summary, guidelines. As with most processes in the schools, especially those dealing with money, there are guidelines in place to keep everyone out of trouble. Lots of times these gifts are given with good intentions, but if the guidelines and procedures are not followed, someone could get in trouble. Thank you.